KatiePrice has landed a second series of her Channel 4 house renovation show. The reality star, 43, will start filming KatiePrice's Mucky Mansion again in June, landing another £45,000 payday. 3. KatiePrice has a second series of her Mucky Mansion showCredit, YouTube/KatiePrice. 3. The first series saw Katie get hands on inside the £1.3 million property. C4 were really pleased with the reaction to the show, and Katie jumped at the chance to sign up for a second series, an insider tells The Sun. The house is far from finished, so she needs all the help she can get. The show, which aired in February this year, followed Katie and her family as put-upon builder Steve worked to repair her 19-room, £1.3 million Sussex home, formerly owned by ex-Horsham MP Francis Maud. In recent years, the home had fallen into disrepair after vandals broke into it and left the taps on, flooding the kitchen and causing the floor to fall in. There was also a fire at the property, and it was full of old clothes, kids' toys and Katie's memorabilia. But when C4's crew moved in, Katie made over daughter Princess's and son Jet's bedrooms, and her mum Amy, who is suffering from an incurable lung condition, designed a special garden room for her daughter to remember her by. Katie also paid tribute to her fiancé Carl Woods with a huge neon sign in the hallway spelling out Pricey Woods. Speaking on ITV's Lorraine, Katie said, "We've only done 4 rooms so far, Terry's 11 bedrooms there, all the other rooms. Everyone loved it. I wanna do my bedroom." Bankrupt Katie was paid £45,000 for making the show, and got all of the repairs on the house done for free. On the show, she added, "The journey of this house hasn't just been about me, it's been about the journey of my kids, my mum, my sister. I've put my touch on it, and so have my family. But this just goes to show you can turn things around, and I'm really proud of what I have achieved. This is my land and my house, now the house is coming back together like I'm coming back together." C4 had no comment. Katie's team have been contacted for comment. 3. Builder Steve had his work cut out on the project. Credit, Channel 4.